Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an account on BlockDAG X1 and how you can start mining. First of all, we will have to download the X1 application in your device. So you need to launch your Google Play Store or App Store, and here in the search bar you can either search for BlockDAG X1 or X1 application. Once you are able to find the app over here, you just have to simply download and install it in your device, and you need to follow further on screen instructions. Like if you open your home page, the home page should look something like this, where you will have to tap on the swipe to me option. After that, you need to continue with your phone number and provide your phone number. Then you will have to provide any referral code and tap on the option of send OTP. Once done, a OTP will be sent on your registered phone number that you have entered here. So you need to provide that OTP here and tap on the submit option. Then you will be redirected on this page again, where this time you will have to sign in into your account again by providing your phone number and providing the OTP associated with it. So once you have successfully created your account and login into your account, the interface of the BlockDAG application should look something like this. Here on the home page you will see this activate button, so you just have to tap on this activate button, and then you will be able to see the share link option as well. So if you share this link with your friends or family members, and if they join with the help of your given link, you are going to earn more money here. So you just have to tap on this option and you will be able to start mining. If you want to get access to the home page, you can go to the home page, and here you will see the option about your account details and support as well, and you will also see the BlockDAG support option. You can even see your account info with the help of the account option. Then you will come on the home page where you will see the leaderboard section, where you will have the insight of the money that you have earned, or the BlockDAG coins that you have earned weekly, monthly and yearly. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.